To begin, I'd want to ask you a question. Is it possible to generate money simply by viewing YouTube videos? Well, yes, it is absolutely possible. Making money online is becoming easier and easier with each passing day. It was just a matter of time before we were experimenting with various internet money making tactics. Now, watching YouTube videos is now the quickest and most straightforward approach to earn money. It is possible to earn cash with PayPal and generate hundreds of dollars online using this brand new approach without putting in any effort or making any financial commitments. You are not required to create or record them personally, edit them, obtain subscribers, or invest any money in them. The only thing you'll be able to do is sit and watch them for a few minutes. And the best part is that it's absolutely free and open to the general public all over the world. In addition, I'll show you another way as a bonus to get the most of this platform's earning potential. So before you can start making a lot of money, pay attention, take notes, and follow the instructions I'll show you in this video. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that I'll be introducing to you is called Admifost.com. Type this in your search bar to go to their homepage. Admifost is a social media network that will assist you in increasing your social media profile. Users of this site have the ability to browse and select who they want to like or subscribe to or follow. They can also view and skip those who are not of their interest. Admifost offers the broadcast and most expensive selection of social media marketing and exchange options available in today's world of limitless and infinite internet possibilities. All of the influential and powerful social networks, as well as numerous features, are represented in this section. One of these is the social networking site, Facebook, because Facebook is the world's most popular social networking site, and because Admifost allows you to gain thousands of likes, followers, and shares completely for free. It is the fastest growing and most well-known social network in the world. YouTube is yet another social media platform that this website makes available. For this video, we'll be concentrating on this particular website. For those who publish videos on YouTube, the largest video sharing website in the world, they now have an excellent opportunity to promote their videos by receiving views, likes, and favorites. Additionally, Admifost provides you with the opportunity to increase the number of subscribers to your YouTube channel. As additional information, Admifost also helps you with your Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, SoundCloud, and Reddit followers and likes. Now to start, I want you to click on the register button right here on the upper right corner of the page. A form will appear on your screen and you will be required to fill out with your email address and password. Afterwards, click the I am not a robot box and then click on the sign up button. And there you have it. You are done with the registration. Now check your email and confirm your account to log in. The confirmation email looks something like this. And also keep an eye on your spam folder since the messages will almost always be forwarded to this one. When you receive the email, click on the verification link that they will send to you to become a registered user of this site. As you can see in this example, I'm logged into my account to show you that this platform is real and operational. Now we have made it to the dashboard. By clicking here, you'll be able to see the possibilities of earning points on the left-hand side of the screen. You can make comments and likes on posts as well as follow random profiles on social media sites such as Twitter, Facebook, and other similar sites. Now when you finish all these tasks, you will earn points. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Here, all you need to start making money with this platform is a YouTube channel. Having a large number of followers or likes isn't necessary in order to earn money. All you need is an online account. And if you don't really have a YouTube channel, you can make one by visiting youtube.com and signing up for an account. Now that you have your YouTube account, I want you to look on the left side of your screen and then click on YouTube views right here. After clicking that button, you'll be taken to this page. In order to get these points, you must watch videos for a certain length of time. To open this page in your web browser, simply click on the View Video button. The page will assist you in keeping track of how long you've been watching this video for. as well as determining whether or not it is currently playing. There's a timer on this page, as you can see, and because of this, we will have to wait a few minutes before we can collect our rewards. Using this method on a regular basis will allow you to rack up an infinite number of points by merely watching a few minutes of video. A company's referral program rewards you with a certain number of points if you help people join up for Admifost by recommending them to the platform. In addition, you can receive a daily bonus by simply signing up and completing tasks every day. Accounts that have been active on the platform for some time and will have access to this feature. In order to get the daily bonus, you'll need to be active. Now that is great because you have different ways to earn points and then convert it to cash. Now I'm going to introduce you another site that will allow you to earn extra money simply by utilizing Admifost. When you consider all of the potential income generating opportunities that this platform offers, it is actually quite amazing. The website that I'm talking about is called PlayerUp.com. Online virtual game accounts and other digital assets can be bought, sold, or traded for free on PlayerUp, a player-to-player trading network, providing a neutral trade ground for more than 1,000 different video games. To be able to use this website freely, you should first sign up. Click the sign up button right here, put in your email address, and of course, since you're creating an account, click on this option right here and then hit the sign up button. You also have the option to sign up using your Facebook account, Google account, and also Steam account. Afterwards, you will then be brought to a new page where you will be required to fill up the necessary information for your account. Now, once you have your account, I want you to search for Facebook on the PlayerUp search box right here. You will see that there are a lot of offers where you may buy, sell, and trade Facebook followers, friends, and even likes with other people across the world. However, to make it easier, let's focus on Facebook likes and shares instead. I want you to click on this offer and eventually you'll come to this page where people are selling these kinds of services at a fair price. This amount has received this number of likes. Using Admifost, for example, you could sell these types of services and experiment with them while also watching YouTube videos. Consider the fact that if you perform this on a regular basis, it will undoubtedly benefit you and your needs. This is exactly what you'll do with PlayerUp.com. For example, if a customer asks you to increase the amount of likes on a Facebook post, you will return to Admifost.com and do it. Look for the plus sign add button on the left side of the dashboard. If you continue to click, you will be taken to this page where you may select the type, which is example is Facebook likes. Then click the tiny box that says worldwide. Then there is the title, and it doesn't matter what you call it. All that matters is that it will be delivered to the client in order to proceed. You should copy the URL provided by the client from the PlayerUp website that links to their page or post. The cost per click on CPC will be based on how many points you spend, which is how many likes you get. After you input and process all that, you are done and you have done the job for the client by giving him or her the likes on Facebook that they need. And that's it. In my opinion, this is the simplest method for earning money. It is possible to build a long-term stream of income through the creation of passive income. Assume you have enough money to meet your basic living needs and enough cash in the bank to buy anything you want, whenever you want it. This is your ideal financial condition.
And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.